Mirrors are an essential part of our daily lives. They help us get ready in the morning, check our appearance throughout the day, and add a touch of elegance to our homes. However, over time, mirrors can become cloudy and lose their reflective clarity. The good news is that you don't need expensive cleaners or professional help to restore your mirror's shine. In this comprehensive guide, we'll discuss various methods for cleaning a cloudy mirror, ensuring it looks as good as new. Why do mirrors get cloudy? Before diving into the cleaning methods, it's important to understand why mirrors become cloudy in the first place. The most common culprits are 1. Dust and dirt. Dust and airborne particles settle on the mirror's surface, reducing its reflective quality. 2. Residue buildup. Over time, cleaning products and beauty products like hairspray and makeup can leave behind a residue that clouds the mirror. 3. Humidity and condensation. Mirrors in bathrooms and other humid environments are prone to fogging up, which can lead to cloudiness. 4. Aging. Mirrors can naturally deteriorate with age, with the reflective backing wearing off or becoming damaged. Now, let's move on to the methods you can use to restore your mirror's clarity. Method 1. Basic cleaning. For mildly cloudy mirrors with minimal buildup, basic cleaning can work wonders. Here's how to do it. 1. Gather your supplies. A microfiber or lint-free cloth. Warm water. A mild dish soap. 2. Mix a cleaning solution. In a bowl, mix warm water with a few drops of mild dish soap. This will help break down any residue. 3. Clean the mirror. Dip the cloth into the soapy water mixture. Gently wipe the mirror's surface, moving in a circular motion. Pay extra attention to any visibly dirty or cloudy spots. 4. Rinse and dry. Rinse the cloth with clean water and wring it out. Wipe the mirror again with the clean, damp cloth. Finally, use a dry portion of the cloth to polish the mirror to a streak-free shine. Method 2. Vinegar solution. Vinegar is a fantastic natural cleaner that can tackle cloudy mirrors effectively. Follow these steps. 1. Gather your supplies. White vinegar. Water. A spray bottle. A lint-free cloth or newspaper. 2. Mix the cleaning solution. In the spray bottle, mix equal parts of white vinegar and water. 3. Spray and wipe. Spray the vinegar solution onto the mirror's surface. Wipe the mirror with a lint-free cloth or crumpled newspaper using a circular motion. 4. Polish. To remove any remaining streaks, use a dry portion of the cloth or newspaper to polish the mirror. Method 3. Baking soda paste. If your mirror has stubborn stains or mineral deposits, a baking soda paste can help. Here's how to make and use it. 1. Gather your supplies. Baking soda. Water. A soft cloth or sponge. 2. Make the paste. Mix baking soda with enough water to form a thick paste. 3. Apply the paste. Spread the paste on the cloudy areas of the mirror. 4. Gently scrub. Use a soft cloth or sponge to scrub the mirror in a circular motion. Be gentle to avoid scratching the glass. 5. Rinse and dry. Rinse the mirror with clean water. Use a dry cloth to polish the mirror until it's streak-free. Method 4. Rubbing alcohol. Rubbing alcohol is another effective solution for cleaning cloudy mirrors. Follow these steps. 5. Polish. If streaks remain, use a dry portion of the cloth to polish the mirror. Method 5. Commercial glass cleaners. If you prefer using commercial glass cleaners, there are plenty of options available. Follow the instructions on the product's label and make sure to use a lint-free cloth for streak-free results. Method 6. Preventative measures. To keep your mirror looking pristine for longer, consider implementing these preventative measures. 1. Ventilation. Ensure good ventilation in bathrooms to reduce humidity and condensation, which can lead to mirror cloudiness. 2. Regular cleaning. Make mirror cleaning a regular part of your cleaning routine. The more often you clean your mirrors, the easier it is to maintain their clarity. 3. Avoid overusing products. Be mindful of how much hairspray, makeup, and cleaning products come into contact with the mirror. Excessive product buildup can lead to cloudiness. 4. Use a squeegee. After a hot shower, use a squeegee to remove condensation from the mirror to prevent cloudiness. Summary. A cloudy mirror can be frustrating, but with the right techniques and a little elbow grease, you can restore its clarity and enjoy a crystal clear reflection. Whether you choose to go the natural route with vinegar or baking soda, or opt for commercial glass cleaners, these methods will help you achieve the results you desire. Remember to implement preventative measures to keep your mirrors looking their best. Enjoy a brighter, more beautiful reflection, and say goodbye to cloudy mirrors.